So here's the end result of my Kool-Aid dyeing paper. As you can see, I used a grape, and some of them turned out really dark. Some of them turned out like a light pink, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I had used some stencils to get some different effects, and they all turned out very nice. And then I got, different ones that it was kind of like a lavender that turned out lavender, depending on how I soaked it. But anyway, they turned out really cute. I'm really happy with it. I'll be doing it again. Thanks for watching.